Hello my dear friends, today in this video we discuss about how to withdraw your amount in TALLWIN Live. For that you have to click on Fund Area options. From these options click on Withdrawal Request. When you click on Withdrawal Request option, you can see this type of window. First you can see here current balance. Inside wallet address options given. Friends, if you don't upgrade your wallet address, you cannot withdraw your amount. So my dear friends, let's talk about how to update your wallet address. For wallet address update, click on profile option. From TRX address option, you can update your withdrawal address. So my dear friends, let's see finally how to withdraw your amount. For that, click on withdrawal request option. First you have to enter your amount which you want to withdraw. After that, click on transaction password options and enter your transaction password. After entering transaction password, click on submit request option. In this way, you can withdraw your amount. So friends, let's talk about withdrawal history options. That means you can check your withdrawal transaction history. If you want to check transaction history, you have to click Fund Area options. From this option, click on Withdrawal History options. After clicking Withdrawal History options, you can see here all transactions like date, time, how much amount you taken withdrawal. So friends, in this way you can withdraw your amount, and in this way you can check your transaction history. So my dear friends, let's explain how to get boosting board income. From $15, you can earn $50 in boosting board. When you complete any direct person, you will get $15 income. Friends, you can withdraw your amount. Otherwise, you can reinvest this income in boosting board. So friends, when you invest $15 in boosting board and become a member of boosting board, whenever worldwide 2 in your down and 2 boosting board members come in those 2 downs, then your board is completed and you will get $15 of boosting board income. So my dear friends, let's see how to boosting. For boosting, you have to click on bonus report option. From this option, click on pending sponsor bonus. After clicking, you can see here pending sponsor bonus. For boosting, simply you have to click on boosting option. In this way, you can complete your boosting. So friends, this was the process of boosting bonus income. So let's meet in the next video. Thanks for watching.